this is what success looks like today. So this was made possible by a jig that I made for my router. This is the jig itself. Don't mind that it is a bit weird looking at the top here. But yes, I needed this because I haven't had much inspiration. I haven't had much desire to come out here and do anything lately. But this is actually a win. It's a success. It's a success. So I'm happy with that. And we're gonna remake this so that way I can keep it to make these in the future.